Hello, how are you guys doing? This is Novi, the stylish Asian man, and welcome to my vlog. I think this is vlog number 56. Today is the 11th of September 2020, and I'm here in Ayers Rock in Uluru. And I'm here because I wanted to see the magical rock of Uluru. They say it's the spirit of Australia, and it would be a shame if I left for Europe without seeing the rock first. I've been in Australia for 6 years and I haven't been here. I don't know why, but it's such a beautiful place. I've been to Northern Territory before, but I only went to Alice Springs. It's a town about 10 hours away from here. It's a city about 10 hours away from here. But here, it's my first time in Uluru, and yes, I'm looking forward to a mini holiday.
Ladies and gentlemen, g'day. Now that sounds more like a bunch of people that are ready to have a holiday. Welcome to the Spiritual Art of Australia, otherwise known as the Red Centre. On behalf of the traditional custodians of this amazing landscape, the Anangu, I would like to say Paliak.
I'm here in Ayers Rock campgrounds, and I'm going to build my my tent soon here in the campgrounds. So wish me luck. How are you?
A wallet?
Did I?
Can you check your wallet? See if
Yes,
you got
I think I have.
what's your name? I just want to check. What
Yes.
colour is it?
Novi Honor, N-O-V-I.
Yeah, no, that's it.
Thank you,
No,
thank you,
just,
thank you.
was just on the road. Was just on the road.
You're too
And
kind.
we saw you
Thank
walking up,
Yeah,
and we thought it probably just dropped out of your thing.
yeah. Thank you, thank you.
No worries.
You're too kind.
Have a good day.
You too. Well, anyway, I just dropped my wallet, and a very kind gentleman gave it back to me. This is what living in Australia is like. Well, anyway, so I'm here in Ayers Rock campgrounds. It's about 12-minute away walk from the town square, and this is my accommodation will be, and I will be staying. I will be sleeping in a tent for 3 nights. But first I have to build my tent. Hello. So I just built my tent here. I'm so proud of it. Took me a while to build it. I used to be able to build it in record rate, but I think I lost my mojo a bit. So it took me a while, but I got there in the end. And here is my chateau. Thank you, Joy, for the tent and for the Lorna Jane yoga mat. And here's my luggage. I bought a blanket. Hello, so I've finished setting up my camp, and that will be my home for the next 3 days. And now I'm going to the town square to book some tours and see what's there too. Apparently there's a supermarket there, so I'm going to buy some water and maybe some food because I'm getting a bit hungry. And I didn't realize it's so hot here. I mean, technically spring has just sprung here in Australia, but it's like it's the middle of summer here, so I can't imagine what it's like to have summer here. I think it's going to be so hot. The last time I was in Alice Springs, just a little bit up north, it was the middle of winter and it was perfect. We did the Larapinta Trail with some of my friends, and it was such a memorable experience for me because that place was so beautiful, and I think this place is even more beautiful. Uluru is a significant icon of Australia, and I'm just so happy to be here, and I am glad that I am able to come here before I go to Europe. And now I'm doing a walk to the town square. The receptionist said it's going to be about a 12-minute walk, so it's not too far. It's just too hot, but I should be okay. Well, anyway, this is the land that I'm walking on. The red earth of Australia. That's why they call the Northern Territory the Red Center, because most of the land here is red clay. It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm technically in the middle of desert. Oh, they have these plants too. I know that these are called spinifex from Cole, whom I've walked with in Larapinta Trail. And some of them I think are getting burnt. It must be because of the heat. I'm heading towards the Imalung Lookout. I don't know what's here, but it should be good because it's such an effort to climb up. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, this is a pleasant surprise. Apparently this is what's here. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Hello, how are you?
Head to the bar and collect your drink.
Thank you.
G'day, how are we?
I am good, thank you. Thank you.
There you
Whilst on this dune top, we do request that you please remain within the marked off areas, and if there are any smokers among us, could you please refrain from doing so until we reach our main dining site.
Hello, how are you? This is Novi. Welcome back to my vlog, and I'm here in Uluru in the Northern Territory. On my background here is the Uluru Rock, and it's so beautiful. it's so lovely, and words can't even describe how beautiful it is, right?
It's fantastic. It's amazing, and the colours are just yeah, fantastic.
It is incredible, isn't it? Yeah.
You were next to us on that plane. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. And you see the sunset from the other side as well.
Oh, you found it.
My friend's going to book us, but we're two. I'm going to the ladies.
No worries. So, do you know where it is?
Just figuring it's the green building over there.
Sorry guys, just hold up for me. I would just like to formally introduce you to your wait staff. Could we please get a warm welcome for Lima? And Sarah. My name is Talia and I'll be your host for this evening. Thank you. And in the kitchen we have your incredible Outback chefs, Chef Fish and Chef Samantha. Whilst on this dining site, ladies and gents, we do kindly request that you please remain within the marked off areas. Your bathroom facilities for this evening are located up the dimly lit pathway to my right. And although we are a smoke-free affair, if you do feel the urge to light up, please do so by the disused fire pit located at the rear end of the site there. Taking a closer look at your menu for you this evening, your first course, which is being delivered by the staff now, is a roasted tomato soup infused with native thyme and topped with chive oil. Shortly after this, you will be invited up table by table for your personalised meal service. After your mains, your local Star Talker will have arrived and they will be taking you on a journey through this beautiful Central Australian night sky.